हेलो गाइस, आई एम वेदांगी फ्रॉम इजी कोड। ये जो सवाल आप यहाँ पे देख रहे हो, ये सवाल हमने हमारी प्रयास ग्रुप्स में 25 फरवरी को डाला था। अभी हम देखेंगे कि क्वेश्चन क्या कहता है। इन सम पैरेलल वर्ल्ड, people use a function called ECC for calculation. ECC functions like factorial on earth, but ECC can be built only by using recursion. ये जो ECC नाम का फंक्शन है, ये सिमिलर एज टू फैक्टोरियल है, ठीक है। तो वी हैव टू राइट अ प्रोग्राम to help the aliens to calculate ECC using recursion. We have to calculate ECC using recursion. That means we can write a function for factorial using recursion. Now the main question is, what is the meaning of factorial here? We will consider one example. Okay. So suppose for any given positive integer n factorial is equal to product of all the terms which are less than or equal to that given number. Suppose if we take example of suppose if we have given a positive integer n, then n factorial will be equal to n into n minus 1 into n minus 2 dot 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 up to n. So 4 factorial, if we take example of 4 factorial, then it will be equal to 4 into 3 into 2 into 1, that is equal to 24. Okay. Now if we take example of 6 factorial, then it will be also equal to 6 into 5 into 4 into 3 into 2 into 1, that is equal to 720. Now we will see the recursive approach for the calculation of factorial. Okay, so n factorial can be written as n into n minus 1 factorial. This is the recursive approach. Why we can write here n minus 1 factorial? Because all the terms such as n minus 2, n minus 3, n minus 4 up to 1 are all included in n minus 1 factorial. In this way we can write the formula for n factorial. And if we take the examples of n equal to 0 and n equal to 1, so then the n factorial will be equal to 1. Now we will see how we can actually solve this problem through our program. Okay. So firstly, here you can see I have made one function for ECC called ECC. So n equal to 0 is our base condition. Okay. If n equal to 0, the condition is true, then we will simply return 1. Why? Because 0 factorial is equal to 1. And for all other integers, we will return n into ECC of n minus 1. All the terms such as n minus 2, n minus 3 up to n are all included in this. Okay. So if we take example of 5, okay, so we'll call ECC of num function, then that will be equal to 5 factorial. Okay, so 5 factorial will be equal to, in the first term, what will be the value of 5 factorial? So 5 factorial will be equal to 5 into 4 factorial, n minus 1. Okay, so in the next step, 5 into 4 into 3 factorial, one number that is less than the previous number. Okay, so in the next term, 5 into 4 into 3 into 2 factorial. So in the next term, 5 into 4 into 3 into 2 into 1 factorial. In this way, our final answer will be equal to the multiplication of all these terms. So our answer will be 120. Okay. In this way, we can solve this problem using recursion. If you want to practice C as well as Python programming from scratch, then please contact at this given number. Thank you so much.